Templates are the easiest way to get started with Instagram Reels. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find, save, and use templates in Instagram Reels. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! To access templates, you have to go into making a reel in Instagram Reels. It's not going to work in edits. It's only going to work in Instagram Reels. So if I'm in my profile, I can click the plus sign and then click Reels. And then you're going to see it up here in the corner in my templates. So you're going to see the template button. So I click templates. There's not that many new templates, but there's still a really easy way to get started, especially if you don't know how to make Instagram Reels. So you'll see up top here a bunch of templates. Say you like one, you just press the save button and you can save that for whenever you want. You can also look at your saves. There's 2 tabs up here so you can see all your saved ones, and then say you want to make that one. You click on it, and once you see it, you'll see all these little black boxes on the bottom. What those do is they indicate how many clips you need. So you can see there's a bunch of little ones and then a longer one near the end. So basically just start going through and adding a bunch of clips. It's going to allow you to start selecting them. As you select them, it's going to fill in the bottom. So I added all my clips in there. Now I'm going to press next. And it's going to take, sometimes it takes a second to process it, but as soon as you see next on here, then you're ready to start putting it out there. And like, say you don't like the clips that you used, you can easily change them. This is going to allow you to actually edit it. So you can see here, you have the base of your video made, and now you can go to edit, and it's going to allow you to, you can zoom into the timeline, and you can select, say I don't want this one. You can replace that clip with any other clip, and then you can add whatever text you want on top of there. So you can make sure nothing's selected, write your text, and then you can select how long your text is on there for, so I can extend it. You can zoom into your zoom out your timeline. There we go. So I can extend it for the whole time. And then once you're ready with it, you press next and you're able to save your reel. This is great because it allows you to start getting content out there, and so you can start working on your consistency and just to see what your audience does and doesn't like, and then it will just get you into the habit of creating more video.